Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of Bitcoin versus the American dollar. Okay, so we've had a bit of a slump here over the past few days. Going to the daily chart, you can see we've had a real sell-off since November. Price came down. Looks like we found a bit of support at the beginning of these buy zones here, this child area here, and our price has moved high. But now we seem to be kind of slouching a little bit. And if we look on this time frame, we can certainly see that we had something in here. Okay, and I'm saying we had something here because price turned here, and we can move that here. Okay, and this is where price is starting to turn around. Okay, so we had a couple of tests, 1, 2, 3. We went about halfway through. Now we're starting to turn around. So the next question is, well, where is it going to go from here? So going to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we had the super clear sell zone. Tested once, twice, 3 times. The price went through it, and now we're starting to break down. So you want to pay attention to the details here, just like we did on the other chart, where we have a turning point in price that turned once, twice, and now we've moved through it. And so we've got something here. Okay, and we have something there because, as I mentioned, we bounced. We had respect for that area. Now we've slowly started to move through it. Okay, notice now the price came back up to this area before it started to move down. Okay, and so this would lead me to believe that this one is gone and this area is the new one that's interesting. And the reason I've chosen to move my box above is because this is where the move came from. Price came down, we started to trade a lot, we tried to go higher, failed many times, and then we finally started to break down. And so while many would think that it'd be a good idea to sell here, I think that we need to look high. We need to look above these highs here, and the top of that area will be just around here. Okay, so I think that, let this update. All right, so around the 43,716, we could see a bit of a push lower, okay, because this is the area just here that was responsible for removing this one here and removing this one here that was tested 2 times. So zooming out a little bit, then you ask, well, where's price going to go? Well, I'm thinking that we have, excuse me, we have a buy zone in here. So this is going to provide a bit of support, but also note that we have a price inefficiency here. Okay, this here, this is not demand, this is a reaction to demand. This is demand starting at around the 34,500 area. So that's probably an area that we should pay attention to. Also, if price manages to continue to move inefficiently down to that, then we'll have this lovely price inefficiency to rebalance. So that would be a lovely entry if price continued to move inefficiently down to this area of demand down here. Okay, so keep that on the radar for the time being. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks once again for watching.